Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you the best new features in iOS 18.5, starting with the Pride banner. As you can see right there, this is actually reactive on your profile. Moving back in here, let me just go back there. Perfect. Now, once you're going to be on the main screen, the first thing you'll notice if you hold your screen, you can now edit. And with that being said, you're going to customize. You can now choose darker or lighter. I'm going to go for darker. And if I click on dark here, you'll notice that the application will go dark. If you choose tinted right there, you're gonna have an eyedrop icon. You can also choose on how much of the color ranges you can choose from. But of course, I'm just gonna go dark there, and basically, I'm just making sure this is gonna be turned off. You can also enlarge your icons, just enlarging them without the name, making more aesthetic looking. I think I'm gonna go with enlarge there. Moving forward for that one, this is too much for me. I'm gonna go back on the smaller icons. So I'm gonna go back and customize right there, choose small, and this is just gonna be perfect for me. Next up, going back on settings right here, you'll notice under screen time, there is a new thing that's gonna be inside it. Let's just look for screen time for now. So there's gonna be a new feature where your kid or your family members, if you share your screen time option, you can have a group where you can now check how long they've been inside an application. Move over if that you can lock them, you can share across devices, and you can scratch up screen time for family. Basically, that being said, you can now monitor how long they use their devices. That is actually really good. Speaking, we also have a new warranty for your iPhone, or basically your Apple account. So going back here, let's just look for warranty right there. The new look of Apple Care warranty gives you more option how it looks like regarding your warranty from top to bottom. Another thing they added back is if you go back on general settings right here, click on general right there, look for the one that says touch or accessibility. On the very bottom part, look for touch, and they brought back this one, the back tap. You can now double tap, triple tap, and basically show banner. What does it does is it's double tap or triple tap on the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly. It's just like a shortcut application. Other things to take note of is going to be the news application, which I don't have right now. Just open it up and there's some new user interface and it's more user friendly. Next up, under the CarPlay, it connects much more smoother right now. So check CarPlay regarding this new update, it connects much smoother with your cars. Other than that, mostly the recently deleted option gives you a much more easier way on deleting and recovering your images. And basically those are the things new for the 18.5 other than the security offers and the features for 30 security new updates. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.